Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. How you all doing this afternoon? Welcome to you. Been very busy this afternoon, put quite a few videos out for you. Hope you've caught those videos. I'll give you a little update in a few moments' time, and we have another review coming out later on on the closing bell, excuse me. And also on top of that, during that review, when you're watching that, I'm off air, I will actually be making another review as well. I've been asked to make another review. So lots of stuff going on at the moment. Welcome everybody. So much to cover, so much in the news. So let's get straight to it. Okay, let's have a look. Who was here first? Hopefully, RS got some more. Vincent Vosberg, good evening, family. Crag, Niels, did you go and check the Marquis Brownlee videos? You'll see that they're all sponsored. So hopefully you've checked that out and you've seen for yourself what I was saying. We were discussing that this morning. All right, so let's get ready. How is everybody doing this afternoon? Lovely to have you all here. Welcome. And let's see how we go. Now then, let me just check a few things. Made some extra tweaks this afternoon, as we're always trying to look to improve things. Let me just double check that. That looks good. And what are we saying over here? So let me just double check this. Right, there you go. So let me check. We had some issues with Rumble today. Oh, what happened to that video? Just realized the Rumble video. I haven't made that one yet. I better do that later. Yeah, didn't make that one. There was a Rumble video I made today as well. I've not put that out about Rumble manipulation on the numbers. Unbelievable. Today we had like 300 people watching, but we didn't have that many at all. Bit of manipulation going on there. We'll keep our eye on that. Hey, Niels. Let's see who else is here. Randy B, big in FSR. Just put out an FSR video, by the way. Did you see that? Big sell on many stocks today. MSKR 500 shares now. That's all that's all I want to put in. Randy B. It's now my moon bag. I did check. I don't have enough information to assume he's manipulating his videos. What I'm saying is, did you see the fact he is sponsored on his videos? It's not like YouTube ads where everyone has YouTube ads. It's sponsorship. So people pay him to promote certain products. That's the difference between me and him. And that's what I'm saying. And anyway, go and have a look. Continue to look around and you'll see what I'm saying is right. I wouldn't have said it otherwise. Hey Niels, good afternoon. Hey MSK. Crag, you'll appreciate this. Was you here this morning when I was showing you what was going on with Rumble today? I had some issues with Rumble today because Rumble was saying I had like nearly 278 people watching, and I didn't. It was this competition, and it actually wasn't true. There wasn't more than 4 people watching. So just want to say there's a bit of manipulation going on there. I don't like that sort of stuff. Palantir down as it is announced some dilution. Oh dear, afternoon, evening, gents. As predicted, Palantir down. He did for a loner FSC was denied. He did for a loner FSC and was denied. Ask. I'm not sure what that comment is. Anyway, let's have a look. If you could rephrase that, Lance, I'd like to know what you mean by that. I'd very much appreciate that. Randy B, it's my moon bag too. I'm hoping for a solid earnings that will put the shorts to shame. Not signed in people. Not signed in people. I know, but I don't think so. Because it's very unusual to get that many viewers. Nobody signed in, literally out of 278. No likes, no comments, no one signed in. I find that really, really hard to believe. And remember, I've still only earned $50 on Rumble. Just saying, I'm just telling you how it is. I'm not here to fly the flag for Rumble. I'm here to give the great news if there's great news, and not great news if there ain't great news. But, you know, a handful of people, in fact, I had no comments. I had 5 likes. So, every single person is not signed in. I don't know. I'm not so sure that's true. You know, I remember I built my own platform, so I know how to do that. I know how to manipulate numbers. And anyway, Vaz, thanks for the Friday FSR video. Nailed it. Touching 2,000 views now, Vaz. Yes, I was going to ask Vaz if you were in today, so I'm glad you've seen it. Now, if you want to promote the video, and you may have already done it, I don't know, and I apologize if you have. If you go to the analysis video, there it is. Oh, let me share it on the screen. And if you want to do a super thanks underneath, I'm not asking. I only tell people this because I know some people want to promote the stocks. Okay, promote the video. If it's a positive message, you might want it to go out. And I think it was a positive review. I think it was a positive message for Fisker, and it's got a lot of views, no doubt about it. So if you do what's called a super thanks underneath, YouTube get a little bit of commission. This is a super thanks, not a super chat. It's a comment, a highlighted comment. I will pin your comment to the top. Maybe you want to say something great about FSR. If you do, I will pin it to the top, reply to you and pin it up. And obviously, as YouTube make money from the super thanks, they get about 17% commission. They're going to promote the video. It's how it works. Obviously, it's how it works. Makes perfect sense, right? So I just wanted you to know if that's what you want to do, then that's what it is on the screen right there for you. All right. Okay, great. I can now take you off the list then because you've seen your video. So let me take that off. FSR, Fisker. Is Lance Strength here? Lance Strength. Did I just see you a few moments ago? Lance Strength. Yes, Lance Strength. Lance Strength, you are here. The same message for you. If you want to do a super thanks, Hasbro has been done. And I did it with the 50 years of Dungeons and Dragons. Same thing for you. If you want to promote it, you can. Remember, anyone can do YouTube ads as well. If you want to, if you really want to promote a video as a promotional tool, if you want to, you can do what's called YouTube ads. You go onto Google AdSense, you create an account, and you can sponsor and promote any video. You can put 1 cent, $1, or $1 million, and you can sponsor a video. It's called YouTube ads. If you ever want to do that, you can do that. Anyway, so Lance Strength, I hope you've seen that's your video. Let me give you the link for it in the chat. Share, copy link. Let me give you your video, Lance Strength. There it is. I'll post it 3 times so you can see it. There's your video, so I can take Lance off the list. Is Ranveer Lavoisier, John McGilvray, Bill Oberkirch, Togarsh Charles, and Disney. I've got literally 3 reviews for Togarsh Charles. Hopefully he'll join me. Michelle, are you here? Kevin B. Kevin B, are you in the chat as well? Is Kevin B here in the chat? Got one for you as well. I've been really busy making your reviews. Mr. Mankey, are you in the chat as well? I've made a video for you. Mr. Mankey, are you in? Let's have a look. I also like how you debunk. Thank you very much. I mean, you know, if it's good news, it's good news. It's bad news, it's bad news. I'm not always going to come down on the side of the stock. You know, I'm not, you know, that's not what I do, but I'll always, you know, give it the truth, you know, I'll be fair. That's what I do. So I'm glad you liked it. I'm really, really pleased about that. Thank you very much indeed. Now then, let me look at this a minute. Now, let me see a minute. 6249. 6249. So what's happened is now, I'm just making some tweaks, folks. Bear with me a second. I'm always trying to improve things. 6249. Just counting out loud in my head. 6249. Okay, there it is. Now then, 6249. 6249. So if I go into this a minute, and it's good there, good there, good there. Yep, good there as well. Okay, and take it off. Just bear with me. I'm making an adjustment. I'm always trying to improve things for you guys. So I'm just making a slight tweak to something. See what happens. It should. 6249. 62. So it jumped back up. There you go. That's what happens. Okay, I've got it. Right. Okay. That makes sense. Learning all the time. 6249. And now that should be clean over there, which it is. Okay. Right. All right. Sorry about that. Just made a few little tweaks just to improve things. Right. Let's have a look. Hi all, Raman Wasaj. Good afternoon. Wasarij. How are you this afternoon, Raman? Lovely to have you here. Lovely to have you here. It really is. Not sure he's paid to promote other businesses. He denied it. Not sure he's paid to promote other businesses. He denied it in the past. Well, you deny what you like. I mean, you can see it on the show. Every one of his videos, he's promoted to sell something, which I don't understand because he's making literally millions. I mean, you know, you either trying to grow, you know, the biggest YouTube channel which makes the most money or the best YouTube channel. I'm trying to grow the best. I want to be the most honest. I'm not interested in taking money to promote stuff. Literally not. Anyway, hi Raman, Vincent Vosberg, Vaz, you casually debunked today's bad news. How you casually debunked today's bad news, ha. Well, yeah, Marcus Brownlee's been just, you know, we're talking about gears. There's no gears in an electric car. So, you know, we can't have that. We can't have rubbish. Could it be people not signing and get in and get the same thing on YouTube? It could be, but you wouldn't have that many, Craig. You wouldn't have that many. There's no way I would have that many. And also, when I check the analytics of the video afterwards, I'd earn no money again. If I'd have had 278 people watching me live, the video should have earned at least $2 or $3. It should have earned some money because YouTube would earn money, and it earned no money. So I don't think anyone's watching it. I think it's manipulation. I mean, I'd love to say it's not, but I mean, you know, I live and breathe this stuff, so I kind of recognize when it's not real. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, but sure, who knows? He's paid to say. But sure, who knows? He's paid to say stuff. He's definitely paid to say stuff. Anyway, Niels, we can agree to disagree. Me and Marquis Brownlee will do things very differently, very, very differently. Anyway. I will not be like that. Hi, Craig. How you doing? Let's mention some positive news on FSR too. Some positive news. Vanguard, BlackRock, and Magna holding quite strong positions, confirmed on Fiskarati page over the weekend. Now, Vaz, if you would like, you are Vaz. You're one of my members, right? Send in that information on Discord right now, and I will make a fresh video on that. Here is the link. If you want to become a member, everybody, I think everyone's a member today, but there you go. There's all the links. There's all the all links button if you want to update your account with the newsletter. Got a newsletter. Here's Jason Fallon, winner of the best and new moderator in the show. Welcome to you. Here is the Discord link. There it is. There's a Discord link. There's Alpha Spread for my discount if you want my software. All right. So there's the Discord link. Get yourself signed up. If you're already on it, please send it in and I'll put it out there. Hi Niels, Raman. Good evening, Henrik. Thank you for all the information, Henrik. I'm making as many videos as I can. Yes, MSK. I had FOMO, so I bought some Luna. Luna. Well, we've been talking about Luna today. LUNR. I am trying to cover the landing of Luna. I am trying to cover the landing. So I anticipate doing that. If we get 100 likes on that video, which we might, I will cover it. Anyway, hi all. I just finished watching Nicola review. Good one. Thank you, Zach Zate. Thank you very much indeed. Just watched Nicola. Thank you very much indeed. Hi, Crag. I have given you the super thanks. My profile comes up as Vaz28. Okay, in that case, what I should do is, let me go have a look. Right, that's coming through perfect now. And yep, that's coming through perfect as well. So let me go and check. Comments. Held for review. No. So let me go to it was the FSR, wasn't it? FSR video. So if I go to the FSR analysis video and comments, members. Yes, Vaz28. Did I pin that comment? Did I pin it? Let me check. It doesn't look like I pinned it. So it's just a new one. Right. Let me pin it then. Okay. Vaz28. There you go. This is what you've just done here. It wasn't pinned. For some reason, it wasn't pinned, but it's pinned now. There you go. There's your super thanks, Vaz28, and I've pinned it to the top. Okay. Wanted to make sure I've done that. Thank you very much indeed. There you are. All right. Pinned to the top. So if you ever want to put links in to, like, if you want to share good news about something, being pinned to the top, it's the comment that everyone's going to see. And if there's a link right there to something, you might want to put a link to Fisker's website, or I don't know. If you want to promote it, at the end of the day, you can have that. Anyway, so that's why I do that for you. That's why I pin it. It gives you the opportunity to do more if you want to. Anyway, let's go through the comments. I found out I paid it from my work iPad, paying on company credit card. Got blocked today, but worth it. Oh no, you got in trouble for work? Oh dear, I'm sorry about that. Oh my gosh. I will buy more Fisker if it goes down, so let 'em, says Vincent Vosberg. There you go, fair enough. Hi, Raman Anil, says Zach Zate. Great to have Zach here this afternoon. Zach is one of our moderators as well, so be careful. If you see Zach in the house, he is one of our moderators as well. He's recently been upgraded to moderator. Yep. Just bought more at the bottom today. Vincent, hi Paul, how are you? Hi, how are you? Tushar Patel became a member today, a gold member. And we appreciate that very much indeed. I'm here to support you in any way I can. If you want to go on the homepage of my channel, you're a gold member. You get one-on-one calls, many perks you get. Leo Sudbury. Semiconductors week. Financial sectors taking over. Nvidia earnings tomorrow. Nvidia tomorrow. So tomorrow night, we've got Rivian or Nvidia. So what would you like me to cover Nvidia tonight? Tomorrow. WHKS is running today. Cedar Trees. WKHS. I've reviewed that, I believe. I think I've reviewed that. I am happy with FSR average 68. Won't be buying any more. Workhorse up 28%. Commercial EV company. Oh, that's Workhorse. No, I haven't reviewed that. I thought that it looked familiar. Vaz, MSK, 68. Vincent Vosberg, FSR brothers. So we're just assuming everyone's dishonest, unlike you. So we're just assuming everyone's... No, we're not assuming anything, Neil. Don't try and start an argument with me. I'm giving you the facts. Marcus Bromley is a sponsored channel. He is paid for his views. That's not an opinion. It's a fact. Just watch his videos. He will say, this part of the video is sponsored by XYZ. The fact of the matter is, what he was saying in his statement about FSR was not true. There were facts that weren't correct. I debunked several of them on my video. This is not a matter of opinion or debate. It's just a matter of fact. If you don't agree with me, that's fine. You're entitled to, disagree with me. That's the health of the family. We have discussions, me and you, backwards and forwards. But if anyone calls out and says rubbish, I will tell everybody it's rubbish. He might want to make millions, and he does make millions on his channel, and good luck to him. But I'm not going to take money to say rubbish just to make myself more money. I'm not going to do it. But he's quite happy to do it. So good luck for him. Anyway, Niels, technically the Porsche Taycan has a 2-speed gearbox. I don't know anything about the Porsche Taycan. I've got no idea. Anyway, I think we're talking about electric cars. We're talking about Fisker right now. Anyway, I think they're talking about driving gears, park, drive, reverse. I think they're talking about driving gears, park, drive, which is what I said in the review, in case there was any confusion over that. I said that, Jose. Anyway, good day, family. How you doing? Blue looks good on you, Jason. I like it. I just need one stock to take off, don't we all? Great coverage on Luna. Thank you very much indeed, Cedar Trees. If you become a member of my channel, you can have a review on your favorite stock as well. All right, now I'm doing a review. We've got a review coming up at the end of the show. It's another new one, and then I'm recording Playboy. I'm recording a Playboy review afterwards. I need to do it off air because there's a few saucy bits. Thank you. You did, Nicola. Yes. That was for you. So Nicola. Yes. I did, Nicola, for you. You're very, very welcome. Mr. Mankey, are you in as well today? Are you in as well? Need to make sure that you're in as well. Mr. Mankey. Tusha Patel, thanks for you. Thanks for the review. You're very, very welcome. Thanks for becoming a gold member. That's why we did it straight away. You're welcome. Like the GOS chart for a sustained move. Welcome to the community, Tusha Patel. Tusha, what is your native language? Tell me what your native language is. I know you're from India, and we do have members from India, but what is your native language? I'd like to know. It'd be awesome if you could share with me your native language. That'd be absolutely awesome. Let me just resize this. What are we at right now? 18, 14. Let me just check this a minute. 15. Save. That's slightly bigger. Whoops. That's not right now. Bloody hell. Hey. Get off the screen. What's going on? I've got a little issue here. I'm trying to fix this. There we go. Let's fix that. Edit text. That should be 16. 16. 16. Yes. Why won't that go to 6? That's better. Save. Right. I think that's better. Right. Okay, I think we're good now. Yes, what is your native language? I'd like to welcome you in your native language. Martin, can you cover the FSR earnings? When is FSR earnings? February 26th. Yes, MSK, you've requested it. As a member, I absolutely will cover it for you. Yes, I will cover it. Niels, you've hard work today. Yes, you've been here you've been here hard work today, Niels, says Vaz. Niels, not the first time. No, me and Niels, we go to it sometimes. Just added Playboy to the watch list. But when the review comes out, all right, okay. Right, we're on the way out. I think we've covered all the comments. Okay. Now then, is Kevin B in the chat, Mr. Mankey in the chat, Ranveer Lavosia, John McGilveray, Bill Oberkirch, Tokars Charles, and Michelle. You're very welcome, MSK. The least I can do, as you are a member of my channel, and massive support as always. So anyway, let me just double check this a minute. We're changing another setting as well today. We are DJI, my gimbal is now at 30%. All right, watching that closely. Hey, Martin, would you have time to cover IonQ earnings on the 28th too? Let's have a look. 28th. Let's have a look, see if I can do it for you. 28th, IonQ. Randy B, you are a member. You can request it. IonQ. Let's have a look. IonQ earnings. The IonQ earnings is February 28th after hours. Right. Now then, what is RAP declared it yet? RAP is on the same day. RAP Technologies, and we cover that one, as you know. February 28th, expected February 28th. So we've also got Plug. There's three. Depends what time they are. Okay, I'll write it down. February 28th after hours. We have got IonQ, RAP, and Plug all after hours on the same day. Now it depends what time they are. RAP might not be February 28th. It might move, so that would be good. But Plug is a massive one for us. IonQ, not so big, but we might be able to do it. It depends on the time. I will try and do it. They sometimes go at different times. So I will try. That's the best I can do. Vaz, where do you add the link on Discord, please? I'm useless with anything but Instagram and YouTube. Right, Vaz, are you now on Discord? So what I need you to do is come into the welcome all. I need to upgrade you first of all. So go into Discord. Here is the link on Discord, right? Come into the welcome all. Come into the welcome all. Here, the welcome all is here. This is where you come in once you've gone through 10 minutes of security. The first time, it takes a few minutes. You will then come into here. Say hi. So if I say hi to you, hi Vaz. All right. I don't know if you're already in, but there is Discord. Come on into welcome all. Let me check, upgrade you. You may have already been done. Then I will show you where to go. But you won't be able to see it until I've upgraded you. All right? So do that first. Just come in there. All right. Fun earnings, Martin. Fun. Okay, let's look at fun earnings. Okay, fun. PHUN. Crag is a member of the channel. He can request a review. Yeah, funware. Fun. How do you do it? 21st. Tomorrow after hours. Flipping heck. So we've got fun is tomorrow. So fun is tomorrow. That's February 21. We've got Rivian. Not so bothered about that. But Nvidia is big. After hours, it depends on the time. Now, I guess if someone really wants it and they did a really good super chat, then I'll do it. But let's see if we can do both. What time is it? Let me have a look. It's only saying expected. Funware hasn't posted a link. Expected, whereas Nvidia has probably posted. Yeah, they've posted. Funware haven't posted a link for tomorrow, so that means it's not 100%. Look at Nvidia going down 5%. Oh, Nvidia! Look at Nvidia, just gone down 5%. Massive. A huge drop for NVIDIA. Look at this now. Got a really big drop for NVIDIA. 5% as we approach the bell. New about FSR. Right, Vaz, I'm waiting to see you on Discord. So look, I want to share with you. I've given you the link on Discord. Let me give it to you again. There's the link in Discord. All right, it's in the chat. When you click on it, you'll come through to the welcome all. After 10 minutes of being, gone through security, you'll appear here. When I see you, I'll be able to upgrade you. All right, and then I can I can upgrade you and all the rest of it. I don't think you're anywhere else. You shouldn't be anywhere else because I'm trying to keep you all in one place. So I'm just double checking everything. Don't just come into welcome all, and that's where I'll be. And once you've done that, then I can share then you can share the world the information about FSR. All right. Okay. Scrolling down. Doesn't it say March 21st? Niels, what are we talking about? What's March 21st? Funware? Let's have a look. Fun. Let me do that again. Funware. March 21st. You're absolutely right. I apologize. It's not tomorrow. Flippin' heck. Thank you very much indeed. Cut. Thank you, Neil. See, it's good we're still friends. Let's see, innit? March 21st. So, Funware. March 21st. Thank you very much for that. You're absolutely right. That's why it's expected. That's why it's not shown a link, because otherwise tomorrow would be very odd. So thank you very much indeed, Niels. That's why, you see, even when me and Niels disagree, we got to stay friends, right? We learn stuff all the time. All right. Thank you, Niels, for that. Of all the people to give it to me today, me and Niels arguing. I'm loving it. Right. I second fun too. Another person wants fun. Oh, no. Yes, it's tomorrow. Niels, it's you were right. It's March. Martin, MTDR earnings after hours. Have you heard from all your men, Stephen Lewandowski? I haven't heard from Stephen Lewandowski. I hope he's well. He's not been on the show. No information at all from him at all. You want a drop, Martin? Take a look at SMCI. Went from thousands to 700s. SMCI. Let's have a quick look. SMCI super microcomputer. I think we've covered this. Let's have a little look. Yeah, where was it? It was up 1,000 down to like a 30% drop, isn't it? Thank you very much for that, Randy B. You remember we talked about SMCI bubble last week, Martin. Well, there it is. NVIDIA is going to miss earnings tomorrow. I'm calling that. Fight Channel. I feel like NVIDIA will miss earnings too. Hasta la vista with the portfolio. Yeah. Martin, can you make a short video to introduce yourself to all CEOs so we can share it with them? Maybe like Liam Neeson. I will, what was it? I will find you. And when I find you, I will kill you. Good luck. Yeah, like Zach say, I will do it. I will do it. Invite the CEOs. There you go. Invite the CEOs. That's a great idea. I will do that for you. I'll make that video. Invite the CEOs. Okay. For Zach. It's a great idea. That's a great idea, because if you're sharing it out to people, then it gives you a direct link, direct video, a direct invitation. That's a very, very good idea. That's why you're a moderator, mate. That's why you're smart like that. Is it? No problem. Yes. Niels, I'm going to say it's March 21st in ETORO. Yes. I thought I was wrong. No, you were not wrong. You were spot on. AMD and Micron only ones to buy. Holo, been tumbling down all day. Exactly like we said it would. Not a surprise. I'm being a pain. I know you're not being a pain. Vaz. Here is Vaz. Right. The first thing I need to do is Vaz, you are a member of my channel. So the first thing I've got to do is give you a nickname the same as it is on YouTube. So we know you're the same person. So Vaz, okay? Now, do not accept any friend requests from anyone called Martyn Lucas. There are many pretending to be me. They are banned from the server, but they can still message you to try and scam you. Please do not accept it. Only accept this one you are going to get now. From me right now, okay? I'm going to send you an invitation right now. Add friend. You've got 1 minute to accept it. 1 minute, all right? That way I'll delete it if you don't accept it. Add friend, okay? Now, you know it's the real me because if you look here in my profile, I'm the only one on Discord in the world that has his name, my name spelt correctly, Martyn Lucas. There it is, okay? Martyn Lucas, there it is. All right? Everybody else, whoops. Everybody else, all the other Martyn Lucases spell it differently, obviously. Okay? Now then, I'm going to give you the membership. You are now a member. Roll. Member. See? We're friends. Only accept one friend request. Nobody else is real. Okay? And... member, okay? And now you can go into all the members' channels. You've got Ed Nevius's education, Scout trade information every day, Trades of Logic, Ed Nevius's tips, Sensei Crypto's tips. They're all there for you. You've also got links for YouTube. These are things you send in to the show you want me to share on the show. Links for YouTube. Live clips of the show. This is where you take live clips of the show. Suggestions, things you'd like me to put in the show. Ask the family a question. Crypto news. Only put crypto news in there. Stock news. Only put stock news in there. Breakfast bar every morning where we come together for the breakfast bar. And then general chit chat, whatever you like in there. General chit chat. Please do keep it on topic. So links for YouTube, drop it in there. I will go in there. Oh, hello, Fight Channel. Links for YouTube. Fight Channel wants me to share this on the show. This is Eric B. Let's have a quick look. I'll unmute it.
There is no Lucas here today. It's President Day. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Bobby Marcus Lucas Show, ladies and gentlemen. But there is no Lucas here today. It's President Day, ladies and gentlemen. No stock trading on Martyn Lucas Investor, ladies and gentlemen. But we'll be back on Tuesday, ladies and gentlemen, with more great stuff with Marcus Lucas Investor, ladies and gentlemen. But stay tuned. We got some more great video coming in here with Martyn Lucas and me here, ladies and gentlemen. The Barbie Marcus Lucas Show all day long, every hour, on the hour, ladies and gentlemen. Check it out. We'll see you, ladies and gentlemen. Peace out, ladies and gentlemen. That's right, Barbie got her own show. Barbie got her.
There we go. There's Barbie for you. Right now, Vaz has sent me some information about... now, this can make it onto the show. This is exactly how you do it. This is how you do it. Okay? There's... look, there's... worst car ever. There's Marcus Brownlee. Right there, look, see? Anyway... He doesn't care. He just wants to make money. And that's fine. You carry on. I'm not going down that silly road. Okay, let's have a look. We've got some information here. Let me just line it up. Okay. That needs to be adjusted. So let me just try and fill the screen a minute. It's a funny one, this one. Okay, there we go. So... okay, brilliant. I'll update that in a minute. Okay. Let me come back to the main page. Thanks for your patience, always. You're a member, no problem at all. I am waiting for the first time to set the rest of my shares. I hope to be able to do this week. Okay, let me go through. I want to sell everything, says Raman. I have 30% in cash now. Thanks for your patience. You're welcome. You remember, that's what you get. And then start buying shares in April. Why everything, Raman? Okay. Now then. I've got this set. Let me just double check. We've got everything. If you've just tuned in, subscriber in the bell. Guys, some of you have forgotten to like the video. Please do tap the like button. Tap the like button. There it is. Smash the like. What's going on? People not liking the video. That's not any good. We've got to get the likes up right now. So who sponsors Marky to say bad things about Fisker? Look, I'm not going to keep going around and around on this anymore. Just watch his videos, all right? I've spent millions of hours. I'm online all day, every day, watching everything. Okay. Obviously you're a fan of Marky Bromley, and that's Brownlee, and that's absolutely fine. But we're not. It's not the Marky Brownlee show. He's got millions of subscribers who want to listen to the stuff. That's fine. Let me just check I've got this right a minute. 5, okay, that's good. FSR, Luna, Nicola just come out. Have we got Kevin B here? Is Kevin B here? Mr. Mankey, Ranveer Lavosia, John McGilvery, Bill Oberkirch, Tokarz Charles, and Michelle. Are any of you here in the chat? Millions of hours? No, not millions. Oh, bloody hell. We're not going to go ins and outs of all. I watched 3 videos of him in my. I watched 3 videos of him in my lifetime. All right. Enough of Marky Bromley now. Brownlee. I'm sick of talking about him. All right. Let me check that. Okay. Now then, how much time have I got? Not that great deal of time, but 27 minutes before our next review. This is Kevin B. Hope he's here for his review. What did someone ask me to do a minute ago? There was something someone asked me to do. 21st, so it's for tomorrow. Okay. Yeah. Of course, it's clickbait. That's exactly what Marky Bromley does. That's what all the big guys do. All the YouTubers. Remember, I'm not a YouTuber. I keep repeating this, but I'm the world piano man. I've built my career touring the world, entertaining people in real person, in real people in front of me in theaters. It's all about honesty and integrity, right? I didn't build my fame and fortune from being on YouTube. There's a very difference. I built an audience in real life, around the world, and now I'm on YouTube. So I'm not a YouTuber. They just do it to get views and make money. They don't care about a real audience. They've never met their real audience. I have, and I understand real people are watching these channels. They just don't care. Graham Stepan doesn't care. Meet Kevin doesn't care. Marky Brownlee doesn't care. As long as they make money, stuff it to everybody else. And I'm sorry, that's not who I am. And if you want to go round and round and argue about that with me, just go and watch their channel. And with all the greatest respect, Niels, you're not even a member of my channel. You've never been a member of the channel, other than when you win membership. And I got to focus on my members. My members are what's the priority, because they are, here for the right reasons. All the latest iPhones for free. Yeah, he gets all the latest phones for free. Of course he does. But I don't think he's bothered about that. Do you know how much money he makes? The guy's a multi-millionaire. He earns millions on YouTube. Just go and check his numbers, as I do, as I know. All right? Maybe if I try harder protecting him, it works. Yeah, one fan at a time. There you go. Martyn Lucas, do you agree with Dave Ramsey's financial advice? Dave Ramsey, there's 2 ways of looking at this. Dave Ramsey believes in being out of debt. Yes, I believe in being out of debt. However, it's not the only way to be successful. Nearly every great business, Apple, Amazon, they all hold debt. To tell people they have to be out of debt to be successful is wrong. Should you be out of debt? Is it better for your health as an individual person? Yes. Is it the right thing for a big business? No. I know right now, if I refinance my house in the UK, I can get $200,000, £200,000, right? So about $250,000 I could get today if I refinance my house. I could refinance my house for about 4%. I could then take that cash, because that cash would be debt. It would not be taxable. I could then buy the S&P and earn 15%, 12.5% a year. So I can make money by being in debt. So there's no doubt about it. Being in debt is not necessarily a bad thing. Being in debt can make you money. Hence why Amazon, Apple, Tesla, they're all in debt, right? They make more money from the debt. However, should you be out of debt if you're a person? Yes, because psychologically, emotionally, physically, it's better for you. And you're more likely to be successful, but it's not the only way. So Dave Ramsey is right saying you should be out of debt, but it's not the only way. And he does it because that's his stick. That's his thing. His trademark is getting out of debt. That's what he built his brand on, being out of debt. I'm building my brand, hopefully, about being honest and open and live. All right, I'm live more than anyone. I'm honest more than anyone. I share everything. Dave Ramsey doesn't share his bank account on the screen, does he? That's what I do. So we've all got our own little shticks. And with him, it's about being out of debt. It's not necessarily the right thing. It's just his thing. All right. And you can choose whatever you want. No, that's not true. I've been a member from June to August because you won it. That's why. You won it 3 times. So don't tell me you've never bought a membership. So don't try and make up stories. You even told me you've never paid for a membership. You've even told everybody you like to win them. So come on, don't be disingenuous. You know full well you've won them. Well, I'm not sure, but I think guess what? It's Rocket Man Lucas. Yay, it's going Tesla Jam. My Tesla Jam. Sam, how are you, mate? Lovely to have you here. They say surround yourself with billionaires, so I'm trying to make friends with Brownlee. How are you? Not sure he'll notice. Of course he won't bloody notice. You got no flipping chance. No chance at all he'll notice. You got to build up a presence before he notices you. Unfortunately, that's just the way it is. Martin, I want to start with a lower amount again. Do you think 10,000 will be enough to start or more? What do you mean, Raman? $1 is enough. What you want to start with a lower amount again? What do you mean want to start again with a lower amount? Debt is money nowadays. Yeah, debt is money. You've been watching too many videos with what's his name? Penner. Dan, is it Dan Penner? You've been watching his videos, haven't you? No, it's not. I did buy it. Did you? I won a couple as well. Right. So literally you bought 1 month in the last 2 years. Is that what you're telling me? Right. Hello, Martin. Momo the Great. How are you? Okay. 5 minutes ago before the bell goes, I've got to focus on my members now. Too much time answering Neil's questions. I've got to answer the members' questions. Right, Virgin Galactic is down today. Palantir is down. I get paid tomorrow. Another $2,000 tomorrow. So all these dips suit me. However, I won't be buying the S&P tomorrow. I won't be buying the S&P tomorrow with my $2,000. I'll get paid from YouTube tomorrow. $2,000, and it will go in uninvested cash, and my balance will go up, and I'll be earning 5.4%, 5.25. I will not be buying this dip. This dip is not low enough. It's not low enough. The other day, I bought in some more at 451. 451. We're now at 455. It's not gone low enough. I think it can go lower, and it doesn't matter if it doesn't. I've got until mid-March to buy in. By mid-March, I will be in because I want I want the dividends from the S&P of $1.80, but I won't be buying it just yet. All right? Okay. I'm going to sell everything and cash out and then start again. Why would you do that? If you sell everything, you will pay taxes if you've had it less than a year. Capital gains tax maximum if you've done it on your main brokerage account. Why would you sell out? Why don't you just hold what you have and add more when you earn more money or when you receive dividends on a lower level? Why would you sell everything? I don't think that's always the right thing to do, but of course I don't know your positions, do I? Okay, I had a great time last weekend. I took my wife to Harry Potter Studios in London. We spent 5.5 hours walking around it. Amazing. Apart from a man at the beginning translating to his son loudly. Oh dear. When is the space earnings? Virgin Galactic earnings is February the 27th, 1 week from now. 1 week from now. And of course, I'll be covering the space earnings. No question about it. Right. We've got 4 minutes to go before the bell goes. We're about to go into a world premiere. Hopefully, you'll all join me. Tonight, we have got another review for you. Brand new VinFast, a Vietnamese EV company with some cool looking cars. VinFast is the review tonight. So hopefully you'll join me for that. Let me just make sure that this video goes directly to it. And then I've got to make another video for Vaz, who sent me in a link. Let's have a quick look. Right. Let me send this video, customization, redirect. It's got to go to the analysis, which is there in 15 minutes time. Brilliant. So I've got time for that. We don't want to miss the bell, but let me give everybody this link. This is the premiere. Review premiere. Review premiere. Here we go. Review premiere. Let me pin that to the top. There you go. Review premiere. Got some comments here on Rumble. Let's have a look. What we're saying today on Rumble. Now look at this, Crag. You see what I mean? I've got 5 people watching me today on Rumble, and yet got comments. And yet I had 278 this morning with no comments. That was Rumble manipulating numbers. I'm not happy with that. I'm loving it. Showed up today. Kyle Jonak, how you doing? You dropped like a brick. AMD is down. Wouldn't buy any more. Habak, Martin, stop arguing with this nut and get on with it. Stop arguing. What nut's that, Niels? I answer all the questions, Habak. He's a member of my channel. All my members get answered. I do agree. He's trying to hog the limelight a little bit, but I do. In fact, he's not a member of my channel. He was a member, but anyway. Robin only paying 5% here. The USA, boo. Only paying 5% here in the USA. What do you mean only paying 5%? It's actually 5.25. But what's wrong with 5.25? It's a great number. Why are you upset with that? I think it's absolutely brilliant. Anyway, what a bloodbath for me today. Sam, I don't think EV will be the main vehicle of the future. I personally think hydrogen will fare better. But you done either. Mr. Mankey. Mr. Mankey is here. Right, Mr. Mankey, I've finally caught up with you. Mr. Mankey, Nicola. Here at Nicola, let me take that off. Mr. Mankey, here is your review. We've just put it out. We've just done Nicola review. There it is. It's just gone out. If you want to do a super thanks because you want to promote it, you can. Let me share with you the link. There is the link. Mr. Mankey, there is a review of Nicola for you. How do you do? So let me give it to you in the chat. There it is, Mr. Mankey. Okay, a super thanks is this. It's when you do a thanks, not a super chat, a super thanks. I will pin it to the top, put a link in, something you want to promote. It's your opportunity to promote on my channel. I'm there to help people. That's what it's for. Okay, just so you know. All right, let me get rid of that a second. There we go, Mr. Mankey. Or at least review the website. What website is that? What website is that? Mark Saxby, how you doing? You should do a Playboy review live that we can see what the company offers. I'm going to make a review of it, but I need some extra footage. Maybe I'll tell you what I'll do. Do you want me to make it live? I can make it live, but I need to create some extra footage to add to it. So if I do that tonight, I'll do it in the morning. Would that be good? Would you like that? Would you like it like that? Hi, Martin. Your favorite CEO, Rawlinson, just gave himself a $6 million bonus. Of course he did. Of course he did. The company have virtually gone bust. Why not give yourself a bonus? Unbelievable. Lucid. LC. Have you got the link for that? Yeah, of course. Have you got a link? Jeffrey Diamond, can you send it in? Can send me... Oh, you're not a member. Can one of my members, please, on Discord, send me the link about CEO Peter Rawlinson just gave himself a $6 million bonus. I'd love that. I'll make a video on it. And it will go viral. At least review the website, JK. Zach Zate. Oh, hang on. We've got a review. Jump straight to the top. Okay. That'll be done first thing in the morning. Zach Zate wants a review. Robert Govro. Nope, you just mean to lost all your money, Raman. What? It could mean you lost a lot of money. Yeah, I don't get that. Members only. LOL. 20 super chat. Yeah. What, for the Playboy? yeah, bloody hell. Can you imagine? Hey, it could be quite funny. Do you know what? I should do it. I've got some, yeah. I've got a really good idea about the Playboy video. I've got
my review, please, Nova.
I just thought 100 shares of Fisker. I can afford to lose that. Google ads, great stuff. I wonder if I should do the Playboy video naked. What do you reckon? What do you reckon? The Playboy review, I'll do it naked. What do you reckon? Should I have a poll of that? Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'll put it on X tonight. Right, we got 7 minutes to go. Got a review here. Could everyone tap the like, please, for Zach Zate's review? He's done a great big super chat. Can everyone please do a not a super chat. Tap the like, please, on Zach Zate's review. NVNM. What is it? Nova. Let me check what that is. NVNM. NVMI. Nova. It is. That's what it is. Okay, I've got it. Let's have a look. NVMI review, please. Nova. 20. Hilarious. Can you imagine? I'll put a poll out. I might do it naked. I might do the Playboy review naked. That'd be hilarious. Absolutely hilarious. All right. Anyway, good Lord, please don't. You only make or lose your shares. Why would you sell it at a loss? Hydrogen or electric, I'm not sure at the time. Tested for me and way forward, but I'm not sure what to do. What do you think, Martin? Well, I think hydrogen will be used in trains and heavy goods vehicles like big trucks. Yes, not cars. It doesn't make financial sense. I'm sure electric cars are the future. That's why the entire world has adopted it and built a system around it. I'm sure EVs are the cars. I think hydrogen will be for the factories, for big trucks. Then trains, yes, but not for cars. No, that's what I think. Dear God, no. Mike, can you please explain the Fisker sales 134% over the average daily share sales and the stock drops? Sales 100. Hang on, Martin, can you explain this? Fisker sells 134% over the average daily share sales and the stock drops. I've been buying today. I've never had so many shares. Buckaroo, did you watch my review earlier? One of the biggest YouTubers in the world has just said it's the worst car ever. His name is Marky Brownlee, and I debunked it. He's paid to say rubbish, okay? That's what, and I'm not in the stock. I'm not here to try and promote the stock. But yeah, when a big YouTuber like that says it's the worst car in the world, it doesn't do it any good because the publicity is bad. Yes, of course, if you realize you invested, always try to stay in the markets. Always stay in. Yeah, Martin, we know you are naked, waist down while doing the show. Show anyone, but no one cares. No one can see it. I can assure you that I am fully dressed. Always. Look, always. Right? Just so we're not in any confusion about that, all right? Link posted on Discord, Jeffrey Diamond. Okay. I have got a video I'm going to make for Vaz, some news. Let's have a look. And links for YouTube, Market Watch, Lucid. Great. I've got 2 things now. Peter Rawlinson. Great. There we go. Market Watch. Let me get out of that. Okay, that I've got it. I can use it. I will use that. Thank you very much indeed. Straight at the end of this video, I'm going to do it. Bye, says Bill. Where you going, Bill? Bill's off. Aha, do it naked. Just don't get too excited. I have absolutely no losses on Virgin Galactic, by the way. I sold 2/3 of my Virgin Galactic last week. I might take your video down. Hee hee, Playboy. There you go. Ramen. On the other hand, I got out of space on a profit. No one holds a hydrogen tank in the middle of a big city or near the houses. Jonas Van Haver. Well, you know what means, Martin. Tesla Jam is still jamming. That's right. That's right. We're jamming. We're years away from Martyn Lucas naked AI. Oh, yeah. Years away. I also provide my trade sending screenshots. Correct. Agreed, MSK. Thank Mr. Mankey. Thank you very much. Mr. Mankey, when I said about promoting the video, for your benefit, it's a super thanks, not a super chat. It's very kind of you to give me a super chat. I just want you to know it's a super thanks if you want to promote the video. Okay, I just want to be absolutely clear, Mr. Mankey, just so you know. Thank you very much for the super chat, but the super chat is not a super thanks, just so you know, okay? Right, Buckaroo, good luck to you. I have Massly shares. Thank you so much and much. Right, listen, guys, we've got to end the show right now. We're going to go into a world premiere. While you're watching the premiere, I am going to set up the Playboy video. I'm going to start putting it together. I'm also going to make a review for Nova. Also invite the CEO. Also some Lucid news and the news for Fisker.
Thanks.
You're very welcome. Thank you very much. Right, let's now go over to the review. This is our review. How do you do? This is what we're about to go into now. Let me give everyone this link. This is the Premier Review Premier. Okay. Now, the idea, even if you're not interested in the stock, please watch it for two reasons. One, it supports the show. I'm going to have a decent earnings next week. Buckaroonie, great. Good night from him. Good night from him as well. Yes. Please do join me because the conversation will carry on. Let me just make sure that I've given everybody the link. So let me just jump into here. There is the review. There is the review. How do you do? Now then, let me just make sure it is set to allow live conversation. Whoops, videos. VFS, VFS, yeah. Okay, here we go. Live chat to replay. Any duration. There you go. Analysis. Come on, come on. Yeah, just running out of time. I've only got 3 minutes before it starts. Live chat, subscribers, any duration. Yeah, done. Okay. And it's quite funny as well because we discovered that they've only got 3 employees. Just saying, by the way, they've only got 3 employees in the whole thing. Yeah, so interest in that. All right. So anyway, okay, it's time for Day Trader of the Day. It's time for our world premiere, and then I'm going to get to work making these new videos that I've just been asked to do. Blimey. Okay, here we go. So Day Trader of the Day. Are you up? Are you down? Get ready for the premiere.
The year is 1991. Birds and people are living together in seemingly perfect harmony.
I've got to start that again. That's better.
The year is 1991.
That's better. Okay, so Day Trader of the Day. Are you up? Are you down?
Until one day, a young
Okay.
man catches fire.
I am down today, down 0.63. Down 0.63%. There we go. Yes, it's all because of the bad news today. Buckaroonies. All because of the bad news. Oh, this Marquis Brownlee. Awful. Down 0.8, down 1.76. 8+%. Steve Wally, you're up 8% today, up 9.4%. 9.4%. It's only for members though, it's a members competition. Jeffrey Diamond, you're not a member of the channel. Should I buy FSR now? Well, you've seen the review. What do you think? Anwar Al-Malay. I put the review out. Down 1.3, down 2.35. Thanks, Luna. Jeffrey Diamond, you're not a member of the channel. Who is the winner today? Who is the winner? Who's the winner? Raman up 0.7. Raman's not a member of the channel. Steve Wally. Steve Wally is... That's one stop. So who's the winner then? I'm looking for a winner. I can't find a winner. The num members have higher scores. Steve Wally is the only positive member. So, Steve Wally, I'm not sure it's 8%, but you're the only one who is positive that is a member of our channel. So, congratulations to you. You are a winner. Thank you for your honest trades. The premiere starts any second now. And a thumbs up to you. Fantastic. Right, we're out of here. We got to go to the world premiere. Come and join us. The link's in the chat. Keep the chat going. I'm going to get to work. Look out for my Should I Make a Playboy Review Naked? And you can see that on X later on. Okay, here is the world premiere. It's about to begin. That's it from me. I'm going to get to work. Oh, Dawn Potteris. Dawn Potteris has got 1.49, but we've already called it with Steve Wally up 8%. That's it. Congratulations, everybody. Well done indeed. The premiere is about to start. Dawn Potteris is up 1.49. Target Finance. Martyn B. Not sure what you mean by that. Anyway, that's it from me. The premiere is about to begin. Thank you ever so much. MSK, who's a loser? Right, we're just a few seconds away. That's it from me. Have a wonderful, wonderful evening. It's been a tough day. Tomorrow I get paid and I'll be buying some more stocks. Join me now on the premiere. Until then, as always, take care of your money, yourselves, your crypto. I'm going to get busy. And also my poll, should I make a Playboy review naked? Leave me your thoughts in the poll. I'm going to make it in the morning. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other. Bye-bye for now. Vaz and others, I will do your videos while you're watching this review, which starts right now. See you in the morning. Bye-bye for now.